this one. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh, he's huge. Look at him. Look how big he is. Box crab. Plenty of them. So these are what we're looking for here. There's plenty of them. See them? Look at this. They're just like. So these are what we're looking for here. It's perfect bait right there. See that? Hey, what's up guys? So we just got the box crabs and now we're gonna go to the sheepshead spot and see if we can't get on some sheepshead, and then we're gonna do a catch and cook on it, so stay tuned. First fish of the day, guys. Oh, he snagged. Snagged him, but he went for it though. Yeah, he did. Oh, of course, I forgot my bag.
Right in the eyeball too, huh?
Told you I was gonna get one. It is on fire.
Now I see them. Yeah,
they're down there, man.
Yeah.
It's gotta have the right bait, you know?
Yeah.
Come on it. Literally about to limit out. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one there. They're all about the same size. Seventh one right here, guys. One more and then we're out. There it is. We're gonna have fun cleaning these guys up though. A lot of fillets, huh? Skinless fillet. And boneless. We're gonna stir up this egg first. Catch and cook, round 2. Well, actually, this is my 3rd catch and cook video. Can't really see it, but it's on. I'm gonna throw some oil in there. This is just regular olive oil. Perfect. Let it heat up. Although I should have bought more olive oil, but that'll work, I guess. It's all right. We got 2 breadings here. This is the Louisiana. They're both Louisiana. This is the. Let me show you the bags. They're over here. They're the Louisiana fish fry, the Cajun, and the New Orleans style. This one's really good. This one too. They're both good. All right, so I like to bread them first sometimes, and then throw it in the egg and mix it up, and then bread them again. I don't think that oil is quite ready yet. This one's gonna be so spicy. Wow, that's pretty quick. It's ready. Catch and cook. Sheepshead, guys. They are so good. They're like one of my favorites too. I can probably put another few more pieces in. Oh, the breading's all mixed up now. I guess it's a blend now, huh? Look at this piece. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. I mean, look at that. We got sheepshead, salad, and this is sweet potato chips. It's really good. But the sheepshead, my gosh, the bomb. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button if you like this video. Hope you guys did, by the way. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.